Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Maths with Gamchirai. Today I want us to look at simplifying fractions. Okay, so I've got these fractions. So when you have such a fraction, what you do for this one, you multiply on the bottom, add on the top, multiply, add on the top, multiply, add on the top. Okay, so let's do that. So for the first one, 2 times 3, we get 6 plus 1 over 3. Then plus 3 times 15, we get 45 plus 13 all over 15 there. Okay, so this is dividing by 6 times 5. 6 times 5 we get 30. So we have got 30 plus 1 over 5 there. Okay, like that. Okay, now we have that. Let's simplify. 6 plus 1, what do we get? We get 7. So we have got 7 over 1, 7 over 3 there, plus 45 plus 13, we get 58 over 15. Okay, then is dividing by 30 plus 1, we get 31 over 5. Okay, now let's find the lowest common multiple for these two. For 3 and 15 here, we have got 15 as the lowest common multiple, so I can write and have this becomes over 15 here. 3 into 15, 5. So I've got 5 times 7. Then plus 5 into 15, 1. So I've got 1 times 58 there. Okay. Then it's dividing by, so we can even change now the sign there and say it's times 5 over 31. Okay. So we are to solve the first part here. Let's solve that first part on its own first. Okay. 7 times 5. 7 times 5, what do we get? We get 35. So I've got 35 plus 58 over 15 here. Then it's multiplying 5 over 31. Okay, let's solve. 35 plus 58, we get 93. I'm getting 93 there. This is equals to 93 over 15. So this is multiplying 5 over 31. Okay, and 93 divided by 93 divided by 31, it goes there in 3 times there. 31 here, 31 here, 3. Okay, 5 here, 1. 5 into 15, 3. Okay, then we have 3 over 3, we get 1 there. Okay, so our answer here is coming out as 3 over 3, which is equal to 1. So this is the final answer there. Let's look at the next question. Okay, this one we are solving again. We do the same. We multiply on the bottom, add on the top, multiply on the bottom, add there, multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay, so let's do that. If we do that, we will have 8 times 7, we get 56. So I've got 56 plus 5 over 8 minus 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 over 2 there. That's the first part divided by the first part here, 4 times 4, that's 16 plus 3 over 4 plus 8 times 4. 8 times 4, we get 32. 32 plus 7 over 8 there. Okay, like that. Okay, let's solve and simplify. 56 plus 5, we get 61. So I have got 61 here. Sorry, I've got 61 here. 61 over 8 minus 3 over 2. Okay, it's dividing by 16 plus 3, we get 19 over 4. Plus 32 plus 7, we get 39 over 8 there. Okay, like that. So we are going to find lowest common multiple for the denominators or the denominators there. For this one, we do it on its own. Here we've got 8. Then for this one again, we've got 8. Okay, so we do the same there. Let's do that. Okay, so if we have our 8 as the lowest common multiple for this one, 8 into 8, 1. So I've got 61 times 1 there. Then minus 8, 2 into 8, 4. 4 times 3. Okay, then this is dividing by. So I have brackets here to simplify and differentiate my work. 4 into 8 here, I've got 2 times 19. Then plus 8 into 8, 1 times 39. Okay, then that bigger bracket all over 8 there. Let's simplify now. So for the first one here, I've got 61 minus 12 over 8. This is dividing by 19. 19 times 2, we get 38 plus 39 here over 8. Okay, let's simplify that. So we'll get here 61 minus 12, we get 49. So I have 49 over 8 divided by, I have 38 plus 39, I get 77 here, okay, over 8. Now because of this sign here, I can now interchange and change these two and have and then the 49 over 8 times 8 over 77. Okay, and I can divide and have 8 by 8 cancel off each other. 7 into 49, it goes there 7 times. 7 into 77, 11. So my answer becomes 7 over 11. Okay, let's do another question. Okay, we also continue on multiply, add, multiply, add, okay, and so on. Okay, so that's the first part that I'm going to do there before I do anything. So I'll have at the end of the day here 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 6 plus 1 over 3 times 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Okay, what do we get? 3 over 2 plus 7 over 3 times 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Okay, like that. That's what I'm having now. So for this one, before you do anything, we have to multiply this part here. So for me to multiply, I can simply divide these ones and remain with 7 over 4 as the final answer there. Okay, so having that as the final answer, I can write my work as 3 over 2 plus 7 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Okay, now let's find the lowest common multiple for these denominators. Lowest common multiple for these denominators, number that 4, 2, 2 and can get into, we have 4 there. Okay, so I'm going to use 4, so it's equal to over 4, all over 4. 2 into 4, it gets there 2 times, so I've got 2 plus 4 into 4, 1 times 7, then minus 2 into 4, 2 times 1. Okay, like that. Let's solve that part there. We end up getting 6 plus 7 minus 2 all over 4. Okay, 6 plus 7, we get 6 plus 7, what do we get? 6 plus 7, we get 13 minus 2, we get 11. So our answer is going to be 11 over 4. And 11 over 4 is, we can simply divide. 11 can go into 3 can 4 can go into 4 can go into 11 2 times, so this is the same as 2, and we have 3 over 4 is the final answer there. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, this one we can do the same. We can multiply here, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay, and this division sign here, we can even take it like this. Okay, so I can have it and rewrite it as this is equal to, I'm now simplifying and rewriting it again. So 2 times 2 here, 4 plus 1 over 2 plus 3 times 4, 12 plus 3 over 4. And we are saying it's dividing by 2 times 6, we get 12 plus 1 over 6 minus 3 times 1, 3 plus 1 over 3. Okay, so this is what we have at the end of the day. Let's simplify. I will get 5 over 2 plus 15 over 4 for the first part divided by 13 over 6 minus 4 over 3. Okay, like that. Let's find lowest common multiple for the denominators. I'll have for the first one 4. 2 into 4, I'll get 2 times 5 plus 15 here. That's the first part. Then divided by the second one, I've got 6 as the common denominator there. Then I have 13 minus 2 times 4 there. Okay, like that. Let's simplify that. Okay, so I'll have 10 plus 15 over 4 divided by 13 minus 8. 10 plus 15, I get 25 over 4. Then divided by 13 minus 8 there, I get a 5 over 6. So this is the same, if I am to write it, this is the same as 25 over 4 times 6 over 5. And we can divide this one and have 2 there, 2 here, 3, 5 here, 5 there, 5 times. So I can have my answer as 15 over 2, and you can simplify it and have 7 over 7.5. So the final answer is equal to 7.5. Okay, this is the final answer there. Let's go on to the next question. We do the same. We multiply and add, multiply and add, multiply and add. Okay, so let's do that. I'll have 30 plus 1 over 5 minus 8 plus 3 over 4 plus 6 plus 1 over 6. Okay, like that. Then here I've got 31 over 5 minus 11 over 4 plus 7 over 6. Okay, now the lowest common multiple for these ones is going to be what? So we want to find a number that 5 can go into, 6 can go into. So the number I can think of, we can say we have which number? 4 times 6, we get 24. We cannot have that one. Okay, let's find the lowest common multiple for this one. So for 5, I've got 5. This is the same as 5. I have, I'm using prime numbers here. I have 5. For 4, I've got 2 times 2. For 6, I've got what? For 6, I've got 2 times 3. Okay, so my lowest common multiple is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, so that's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So I've got 60. So I'm going to use 60 on the denominators there. Okay, let's use 60. Okay, so that's what we do. So 60 for the denominators. 5 into 60, 60 divided by 5, I get 12. So I've got 12 times 31 here. Then minus 60 divided by 4, I get 15. So I have 15 times 11 here. Then plus 6 into 60, 10 times 7. Okay, like that. Let's simplify that now. Okay, simplifying, we'll get 12 times 31, we get 372 minus 15 times 11, we get 165 plus 10 times 7, we get 70 all over 60. Okay, so now let's simplify. We are now saying 375 minus 165, then we say plus 70 there. We are getting 280 there. Okay, so this is equal to 280 over 60. Now 280 divided by 60, what do we get? Okay, I'm getting a 4 something. Let's see, 60 into, okay, so it's going to be 4 remainder 40 over 60. So this is the same as 4. This is the same as 4 and 2 over 3. Yes, okay, like that. Let's do the last question. Okay, so this one we treat it the same way. This is a division sign, so let's do that. If we do that, it's the same. I'm going to take lowest common multiple for this one, 6, for this one again 6. Okay, so I'll have 6, 3 into 6, 2 times 1 minus 1 times 1 there, then divided by 6 for the next one, the denominator this one, and I have 2 times 1, then plus 1 times 1. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do it. Okay, let's finish it. So I have got 2 minus 1 over 6 divided by 2 plus 1 over 6. Okay, like that. 2 minus 1, we get what? 1 over 6, then divided by 3 over 6. Okay, like that. Let's do that and finish off. What do we get? Now I'm going to invert this and have multiplication and change these numbers and I'll have it as 1 over 6 times 6 over 3. Okay, and 6 can divide each other there, so my final answer there becomes 1 over 3. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, this was the last question. Otherwise, bye bye guys. Please remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel Mobilemaths and share our videos with others. Bye bye.